Good afternoon to all. We'll start shortly. Just waiting for more people to join in. Okay, we're good to start. Welcome everyone to Strike Daily live stream. I will take you through today's trading session via our tool Strike. So before we begin, you can you can log on to web.strike.money and use the tool and experiment with all the scanners and the indicators that are available there for your own analysis. So let's jump right into it. I'll share my screen. Yeah. So it's been a good trending session. The market has opened strongly and rallied, and there was a consolidation during the day. And right now, it again appears to be inching towards its highest point of the day. So talking about the breadth, out of Nifty 50 stocks, 35 are advancing while only 15 are declining, and around out of Nifty 500, 310 stocks are advancing and 189 are declining. So the breadth is positive today. The action is also widespread. So we'll look into the sector heat map as well. But let's first have a look at yesterday's FIDI data, if there is anything significant there. So from FIs, it was a buying of around 1,088 crores, and DIs sold to the extent of 333 crores. So net, it was a positive figure. And in derivatives, it was a slight cool off while FIS reducing their index futures by 11 up to 11,000 contracts, and there were also call writing seen in significant numbers. So it was mildly bearish data. Yeah. So before proceeding, we can have a look at calendar as well because there are many big names coming out with their results. So the week can be action packed. Apart from results, also there is a overnight event in the USA, as you all know, Fed meeting. So the market action can be, based on that as well. And there is also monthly expiration tomorrow. So tomorrow's session can be very action packed. So, but we should know what all stocks are coming up with results. So I'll filter Nifty 50 here. Yeah. So even today there are many results, mainly Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, BPCL, etc. And during the next few days, we have results from other big names like Bajaj Finserv, NTPC, and Maruti Suzuki. So these are the earnings that can impact the market movement in the next few days. If you have any questions, just drop it into the comment section and I'll take those at the end. So yeah, let's have a look in the future activity. So as you can see, 121 stocks are in long build-up category today, so indicating positive bias in today's session, and 55 are in short build-up, while followed by 8 and 3 stocks in short covering and long unwinding, respectively. So most of the action is positively biased in the future segment as well. So coming to the options, so highest call open interest is at 19,800, but you can see significant amount of put open interest as well on 19,800 as well as 19,700. So the fight is at 19,800 level, and currently Nifty is trading above 19,813, which is above 19,800. So if it were to move slightly more up, then it can cause panic among these call writers and can create a short squeeze kind of a movement. For Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty highest call OI, as you can see it as 46,000, and there is also significant amount of put OI as well. And currently, it is trading slightly above 46,000. It is trading at 46,050, the spot level. So again, if it were to move up, all these call sellers can get into panic, and which can push the market further high. So this action remains to be interesting, as tomorrow is the monthly expiration as well. Coming to the heat map to see where the action is today. So PSU banks back in action at the top. It's up 1.38%, and which is led by mainly Union Bank, PNB, and Maharashtra Bank. And apart from PSU banks, the Nifty infrastructure and Nifty FMCG is also leading today. As you can see, most of the sector indices are positive today, except one or two names, and mostly all other sectors are positive, but not significantly. Like all are up point from zero point 0.5 to 0.7%. And in terms of leading, the PSU banks, Nifty infrastructure, and Nifty FMCG are leading. So there is a question from Ranjan, how these tools can be used for taking actionable trades during intraday. So see, the time frame of your trade depends from individual to individual. Some are intraday traders and some are positional traders, but the trend reading can be very important. So for yourself, if you go to scanners, there is a Dow trend scanner and a proprietary scanner, which is a Rohit scanner based on our own RMI indicators. So let's say I'm filtering Nifty 50 here. Now what this does is give you the trend reading based on Dow theory, that is higher high and higher lows. As you can see, the symbol is forming higher highs, higher lows, and the trend is indicating as up, which is green in color. And the moment it made a lower low, the trend changes to down. So when you trade in the direction of the trend, be it your time frame is big or is small, it definitely helps. So right now you can see there is daily, weekly, and monthly time frames trend reading is available, and very shortly hourly will also be added here. So hourly degree can be used by very short term traders to get signals in the real time. Now, not just the trend, it is very important to get that uh, when is the reversal signal coming. So you can always filter from here and select down to up and up to down. So this will show you which stocks are giving a positive trend reversal based on Dow theory today, and which stocks are giving negative trend reversal based on Dow theory. So this is the basics of technical analysis, that is Dow theory. But getting the trend readings and filtering the stocks on automated basis is what is very important across all time frames. Now, direction is one thing, but another thing which is very important while trading can be momentum. So to catch momentum setups, there is our own proprietary indicator, which is Rohit momentum indicator, and which you can simply go to Rohit scanner, and you will see if any stock is giving positive or a negative crossover across different time frames. So if I have currently filtered Nifty, and I'll filter new signals in today's session. So as you can see, there are 5 new signals coming in today, two of which are new sell signals and three are new buy signals. Right. Uh, Ranjan, we will be very shortly adding options module as well. So you will be able to check all options data for stocks. Yeah. Someone is asking to view a chart of Cummins India. I'll look at it shortly. Before I move on to that, just quickly let's have a technical look at Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So as you can see, we were forming bearish candles for 3 trading days, and today we have opened directly above this number, which is yeah. So we have opened above this candle and going further up. So price action wise, this is a positive candle, and the RSI is currently at 67.79. The indicators are mixed right now. There are whipsaws happening in some of the indicators, but as you can see, even a short term moving average like a 10 period moving average is also held. And interestingly, today's low is exactly at 10 period moving average. If you look at 20-day moving average, it is still quite far from the current price. Market has not even pulled back to the 20-day, and we have going up directly. So those of you follow Elliott waves and Fibonacci retracements can watch out 61% of uh, this fall, which is at 19,848 as an important level. Let's move to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty was barely down in last few days, but in today's session, it seems to be forming a bullish Harami pattern, candlestick pattern. But in Bank Nifty's case, all other indicators are still bullish. The MACD has also not went into sell, and other trending indicators are also directionally up. Same is the case here with all the moving averages from all 10 to 200 period moving averages or are held, and the index is rallying on that. So there's a question from Mr. Amit regarding comments. So to check a stock, you can simply search and go to overview. Just a second. Yeah. So as we can see, this is consistently outperforming the Nifty index based on relative performance, and seasonality wise, uh, July and August have been positive months based on history of from 2014. The average return being 3% for July and 4.3% for August. But till now, July has been slightly negative this year. So seasonally, it is not a bad time to be in this stock, but we need to check the other things as well, which are indicators and volume and delivery, how it's taking on that. So just a disclaimer, these are no recommendations. We are just looking at the charts for this stock. Let's look at volume and delivery first. So the stock is having good amount of deliveries in the recent few sessions. Delivery percentage is also consistently around 50%. Coming on to the technical setup, it seems to be in this trading range for now, which is 1953 on the upside and 1852 on the downside. RSI is in neutral zone and MACD is bearish. Coming to moving averages, it is trading above all key moving averages, which and today it has touched exactly the 20-day average and moved up. So yeah, 20-day average can be a good level for this stock to trail as well. But currently it seems to be in a range. You can have a look on weekly degree as well. Weekly candle looks much better than the daily. And let's go to the Rohit setup as well for this stock. You can go to charts, and then from the drop down you have to select Rohit setup, wherein you will get to see all the key indicators that are 20 moving average, 40-day exponential moving average, the trend according to Dow theory, and as well as the RMI signal. So as you can see, as of now, the Dow trend is negative, that is down, and RMI is in sell mode as it is trading below this red line. So as per the model, only half of the indicators are bullish. So yeah, momentum wise, there is weak momentum in this stock. So that's how you can have a 360-degree look at a stock from its performance, seasonality, volume and delivery, technicals, and as well as Rohit setup. And very shortly, you will be able to view a lot of futures and options tools as well here in the stock section itself to enhance analysis for the FNO basket stocks. Yes, you can post your questions as well. Okay, there is one more question regarding NTPC. So we can have a look at that as well. Yeah. So this stock has also been consistently outperforming the Nifty on all time frames, be it 1 year or 1 month. It has been outperforming the Nifty index. And seasonality wise, these are mixed kind of months going on for it. July has been a seasonally mixed period, and August also. Regarding the technical setup, it is trending going to the daily chart. Yeah, so it is trending, seems to be a very in a strong trend. All indicators are bullish, and all the moving averages are held. From Rohit setup, 1 second. Yeah, so everything is looking bullish here as well. There's a question from Mr. Trilok. When does the average swing and daily swing get updated in the strike platform? Average swing and daily swing, I'll go to the sentiment indicators to tell you what it is. So we run our proprietary RMI indicator on all the FNO scripts and check whether the indicator is rising for the stocks today or falling, and then we plot it as a percentage. So if it is at 49, means the momentum for 49% of FNO stocks was up last day. So it works like a sentiment indicator. When it's in the too low zone, that is where we make short term bottoms for the market. And when it is closer to 80, 90, that is where we make short term tops. So your question being whether it is updated real time or EOD. So right now it is getting updated only on end of day basis. But yeah, we are working on getting this updated in real time as well. Rollover data, yes, rollover data will also be available very soon. So you can just subscribe to the Strikes YouTube channel, as we are going to do this live stream daily and going to discover new tools every day. Apart from this, we can also see that in Nifty 500, there are 49 new 52-week highs today and no 52-week low. That itself is a very strong sign. So if you have any more questions, please post it in the comment box. Otherwise, we'll wrap it up for today. Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow at the same time.